Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady. The company I will be working with today is BGMGirl Hair. Here I'm showing you all the packaging. This is the wig. It did come with a wig cap, their cute little brochure with coupons available, and then on the inside you also get some extra coupons. This is their hair. This is their 13x4 HD lace water wave wig in 26 inches, 250 density. It does come with adjustable straps in the back. Here I'm showing you guys the lace is HD, and I did go ahead and sew in an elastic band. Jumping right in, you want to go ahead and cut off your excess lace. Y'all, I did not do anything to this wig but just bleached the knots. It did come pre-plucked. I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor and cut off my excess lace. Those of you who've been following me know the routine. Everybody knows I start in the middle and then I work my way to one side of the ear, either left or right, and then I just repeat the same steps on the other side. This lace was looking very HD with no makeup or anything on it, and this install will be done with no ball cap, y'all. So this is super easy, beginner friendly, and yeah, stay tuned. I wanted a light hold, so I'm going to be going in with my Eben Wonder Bond lace spray. As you guys can see, I do not have a ball cap on. I wanted to show you guys up close that I do not have a ball cap on. I recently cut my hair and dyed it blonde, so I no longer really need one. So yeah, now I'm just taking my blow dryer on medium to cool heat, using that till the adhesive spray gets a little tacky, and then I'm just going to gently place the lace down like so, and I'm going to repeat this on both sides. I like to go in either with my fingers or a rat tail comb and just lightly press or comb the hair into the lace like so. Like I said, this is going to be a light hold, so I only did 1 to 2 layers, maybe not even 2. I say yeah, 2 layers. Very thin light layers, because I planned on taking this off later on tonight. I did not want to sleep in this hair, but yeah, now I'm just going over the lace with a little bit of the Eben spray and my rat tail comb, and y'all, it is definitely giving scalp. Now I'm going to repeat that same process on the other side. Once that is tacky, I'm going to gently place that down using my fingers and my rat tail comb, and then we're going to get ready to pull out the baby hair in style. Alright, so this is what the lace is looking like once we melted everything down with our adhesive spray. Next, I want to show you guys that this is a 13x4 HD lace. You still can do a side part, but not super deep side parts, which is fine. I just wanted to show you guys that you can have multiple parting space if you wanted. You can do a side part, you can do a middle part, and you still get the look you want. I'm going for a side part, so now I'm going to take my little wax stick, and I can't remember what brand this is. It just came with one of my sponsorships, so I just put that on top of my hair because I want to lay down the front perimeter half. You want to make sure that it's super flat and laying down, and I'm just going to go in with my hot comb. This is the brand Hot and Hotter. I got this from my local beauty supply store for about $14.99. I've had it for about a year or two, and they work well. Like I said, $14.99. I know they probably have went up on prices because everything has went up, but I can't see the hot comb being no more than $20 to $25. So definitely look into that if you guys are interested. Now I am going to go in and hot comb this side that will be tucked behind my ear, because this hair is water wave and it's 250 density. The hair was really thick, which is a good thing, but you know, you want it to lay flat so it's giving scalp and not anything else. Okay, you don't want a wig or a helmet on your head. and it looks like a wig or helmet on your head. You feel me? You want it to look like scalp. It's giving scalp. It's giving this is my hair. So once I get that nice and super flat like so, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure everything's nice and flat to my liking. And then I'm going to get ready to pull out my baby hair, and then we will do that. And that will finish up this look. Once I've got all my baby hairs parted out, I'm going to go right back in with my hot comb and I'm going to press out my baby hairs just a little bit. Be careful not to burn yourself, ladies, because I have done that multiple times. You don't want to have a scar on your forehead. It is not cute, okay? But check them edges, make sure they're even, looking good on both sides. If you need to pluck out any excess hair, don't be afraid to do so, okay? Now, I like the placement of my baby hairs. I'm just going to hot comb my sideburns real fast to get those all nice and flat before we lay those down, like so. And like I said, take your time, y'all, because I've burnt myself plenty of times, and you do not want to do that. It hurts like a bitch, okay? Now that I got my baby hair pulled out, they were looking a little thicker than what I would prefer. So I am going to go in with some tweezers and just thin out the thick side so it can match my side that's not as thick. And you guys can definitely see as I'm plucking the hair, you guys can actually see or definitely see how I am plucking out the hair and it's looking thin or looking thinner as I go, which is the look that I was wanting. I didn't want super, super thick baby hairs because that just looks unrealistic to me, even though I know it's to each his own. Some people like thick baby hair, some people don't, but I personally, for a personal preference, don't. So I just went in and thinned those out just a little bit, just enough to make sure that they all look even and they're all same thickness. Now I'm going to go in with my cuticle scissors and I'm going to have these. I just want to show you guys that they do curve, and I'm going to go down and have the angle going down, curved away from my face, and I'm just going to cut at an angle. Now I'm going to go in with some Eco Style gel in the green bottle, and I'm just going to lay those baby hairs into place. I've really fell in love with the baby hair look where your baby hairs are going into your hair or connecting to your hair. I feel like it looks so much more natural and so pretty. So that is the look that I will be doing. Don't be afraid. Take your time. Baby hairs are the hardest part, I feel like, for anybody other than plucking, because you never really know what you want unless you are like a professional hairstylist or you've been doing this for a while and you already got the idea in your head. But yeah, I'm just cutting all my baby hairs at an angle with my cuticle scissors, and then I'm going on top of that with a little bit of Eco Style gel, and I will be combing my baby hairs into my hairline because I want it to look as realistic as possible. Once you get both of your temple areas done and your sideburns, you want to go ahead and tie that down with an elastic band, and then we're going to get ready to define this curl pattern, and then that will be the completed look. While that's tied down, I'm going to let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I wanted to show you guys what the hair looked like wet and the other side dry. Everybody knows that curly or wavy hair shrinks. You have to stretch it out to get your full description length, or full length of what you're trying to see. And the best way for me to do that, I feel like, with curly or wavy hair, you want to go ahead and wet the hair. Go ahead, wet the hair from top to bottom, not to the point where it's like leaking or anything, but wet the hair, and then you want to go ahead and brush out the hair. I start at the bottom and then work my way up to the top until everything is untangled. Once that's done, I'm going to show you guys the left side versus the right. The hair was super full, y'all. This 250 density did not come to play, baby. And this water wave was looking very much like deep wave. It had me fooled for a second because this whole time I really thought this was deep wave, but it was water wave. But I want to show you guys one side what the hair looks like wet, and then I'm going to show you the other side what the hair looks like dry, kind of combed out a little bit because my bang is messed up a little bit from me hot combing, but it'll be all good. So this is the side. The left side is the hair wet. You definitely see how much it dropped. And this is the right side where it's dry. You can definitely see how much shrinkage the hair does have when it was dry, straight out of the pack. And then the other side, left, when it's wet, and I brush it out. Stretch all the way out. It does come to my waist, wet and dry, but I just wanted to show you guys the difference. And now I'm showing you guys what everything looks like all together. Super cute. Everything stretched out, comes to about my waist, and then I'm going to seal all of that in with some Roll mousse curl. I'm just going to put that all over my bang area and on the ends of the hair just to keep that wet look that I want and reduce any type of frizziness. You don't want any frizzy, oh sorry guys, frizzy or poofy hair. And after that, that will be the completed look. Get into it. Y'all, I'm in love with this install. This lace was definitely giving. This hair is super full and thick. Y'all, I just wanted to show you guys the back. You cannot see through this hair at all. From root to tip, this hair was 100% thick, baby. Don't play. This was their 250 density. HD 13x4 lace wig. This is their Peruvian water wave. Get into her. Y'all, look at this lace, baby. Don't play with me, okay? I just feel like it's giving scalp. It's definitely looking like my hair. The lace is blending, and we did this install with no bald cap. Super quick and easy. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you guys like this hair. Are y'all getting ready for summer, spring? And I know we're going to be seeing water wave, deep wave, jerry curl, any type of curl, water wave texture I think is gorgeous for the spring or summertime. So this is definitely going to come in clutch. Again, you guys, this is BGMGirl hair, which stands for Black Girl Magic. And BGM hair, this is their Peruvian water wave lace front wig, 13x4 lace. It did come in 26 inches and 250 density. Get into her. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you guys can get a post notification. And I'll see you guys in my next video.